Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the highlight color in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that you want to edit, like this. And then in the top row we find the letter A with some lines next to it. We tap on it, and then here if you scroll down we find highlight color. Here it is set to none, but we can select a color. Let's say it's red, and then when we write something, it's going to be highlighted in this red color. If you want to change it to something else, we can just change it like this, and then whatever we write afterwards, like this, is going to have the new highlight color. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.